I got her out here on the water for Bill, 1957 Johnson. Runs pretty good. Mechanical restore. I get about 20 miles an hour out of her. Pretty darn good. Let's take her for a spin. It's windy out here this morning. We'll have to see if I can keep my cap on. Windy, my little feathercraft taking a beating. But she runs good, Bill. She runs good. She's ready for pickup. Just let me know when you want to come get it. Let's take her on in. One, buddy. She runs good. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next video. Hey Bill, watch your motor run here. So good. I can't idle it down and stop it. I got to choke it to stop. She's a runner, buddy. I'm gonna pretty her up a little bit and take her for a test run. Thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.